Welcome back to Healthy Mind, Healthy Body, your go-to destination for holistic wellness. Here we explore the balance between a calm mind and a strong body. From mindfulness to self-care, this is where your journey toward total well-being begins. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like your life was moving forward, but you were stuck in the same place mentally? This is the story of Emma, a woman who had everything in order on the outside, but inside, her mind was quietly falling apart. Every morning, Emma woke up with a to-do list that never seemed to end. She worked hard, smiled at everyone, and told herself she was fine. But when the day ended, she felt empty. Her thoughts kept spinning, overthinking, comparing, worrying. One night, as she lay awake scrolling through her phone, she saw a post that read, "Your mental health is built on the habits you repeat." Something inside her paused. She whispered to herself, "Maybe I am not broken. Maybe I am just tired." The next morning, she tried something different. Instead of reaching for her phone, she took a deep breath. 5 slow inhales, 5 slow exhales. For the first time in a long time, she heard silence. Day by day, she began making small changes. When she felt anxious, she went for a walk. When she felt tired, she disconnected. When her mind raced, she wrote down her thoughts. It was not perfect. Some days she cried, some days she laughed, but she started to notice something. The more she slowed down, the more the noise faded away. Then one evening, something happened that changed everything. Her friend called and asked, "Hey, are you okay? You have been quiet lately." Emma smiled. For the first time, she did not pretend. She said, "I am working on it." That was her turning point. She realized that healing does not happen overnight. It happens one choice at a time. And when you begin to choose peace over pressure, something beautiful happens. You do not just survive, you begin to live. So if you feel like Emma, lost in the noise of your own thoughts, remember this: peace is not found, it is created. Start small, breathe deeply, and give yourself permission to slow down. Now I want to hear from you. What is one small change you can make today to take care of your mind? Comment below and let us know. If this story touched your heart like the video, share it with someone who needs a reminder to breathe, and subscribe to Healthy Mind, Healthy Body for more stories that inspire healing, growth, and balance.